So, yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? So, in today's video, as you can see, this setup is literally trash, bro. Trash. Like, look at that, bro. This is not even like a setup. Like, I can't even call this as a setup, bro. Like, this is so like messy setup. Like, look at that. So, in today's video, we are gonna clean this and make this like nothing changed, but some changes that it makes the setup very cool, and you're gonna like this video for sure. Before heading to the video, please do subscribe. It will help me a lot, and do like the video, share and comment. What you're gonna do is, like, you can see, like, my desk is not a proper gaming desk, or you can say a proper setup. Like, I have, when I sit in this chair, I have to squeeze my leg in, like imagine that posture, bro. That is so hard. At least I could clean somewhere here. Okay, so see you after cleaning it. Oh, that took some great amount of time, but not for you. For you it will be like just for 1 second, 2 second and all. And just now look, this whole room is like fully cleared up, and just the thing remaining is one mat. Like, yeah, one mat, and my lens, yeah, my spectacles case. And now I think we should work on the under, and after that all set, we should work on the top, because bro, this is so messy, bro. Like, look, I actually don't want this mouse pad, but I still use it because I hate, no, because I love storing things. And the main problem is, look, bro, this is teared from here, and look at this, bro, this wires, bro. Damn, bro, I can't still believe that. How did I live like this, bro? And we are gonna do clean up here too. Nothing much change, but this will, like, this will make my room way cleaner, bro. Way cleaner. Okay, so let me just adjust this thing right here and see. So now what I'm gonna try to do is, like, I actually put that thing into the bag so the cable be hidden. The cable will not be hidden, the adapter will be hidden of my laptop. And now I'm gonna work on this side, bro. What the hell is this, bro? Dang, bro, what, bro? Look how old this must be, bro. Okay, so let me finish that and see you again. Okay, so that was crazy, bro. Now I feel like I feel like I moved out from this space, bro. This is super clean right now. All I left is one fan, that is also for nothing, it won't work. And this tablet, if you're thinking of, this is just for an aesthetic. I won't even touch it, bro. And this you will know later, okay? Already you know, okay? And this is my pen drive. Now the main part is coming to this area. Let me show you. So to this area. And if you think of the chair, uh, i'm not I'm not gonna upgrade this chair. I feel very comfortable sitting here. But you will get soon an update. There will be in so many days, okay? Whatever. So now what I'm gonna, wait, before that, let me show you that I have a whole server running under my desk, bro. Like, what the hell, bro? A whole server. But I need this because I don't have necessary ports. All I have is that the this is plugged to this, and I have many extension board. And the main thing my setup is vary is because this, like, the placement of all the ports are underneath of my desk. And that is because, like, these are coming to here. But what I could do is this tablet underneath, but I don't want to do that because I don't know why. And here I'm saying that I will put my two phones here, and I will charge it, of course. And, like, now if I'm sitting and playing some games, I can just take my phone and look what's the time and all. Okay, so now what I'm gonna work on is I will try to adjust these cables, bro. Literally, these are cooking me up. Okay, so whatever. So now what I'm gonna try is to make this upper part of the desk or the main heart of the desk look cleaner. Hey guys, the moment of your truth. Oh my god, I have worked a lot for this. In 3, 2, 1, let's go, bro. And yeah, that's probably it. And that's it, bro. That's it. Like now it's more clean and all. And my most favorite part. Wait a minute. How could I forget that? I forgot you all to tell that I already have an RGB strip, bro, covering all around here to here. And now at present you will be thinking that where did all the messy wires go? Your boy got an idea, bro. Like I tied them up to here, so like it won't be messy. And this is this is the like this may be the messiest place ever in my setup, bro. Like look at these wires. That's the problem of having an like socket under here. This power is coming from down underneath here. And yeah, now this is not over. I need to should I? Yeah, I should show you guys a full cinematic tour of the setup. Okay, so let's go on to it. So guys, so this is what I was talking about, bro. Look how cool is this now. And look, no messy things, just super clean, clear, and all. And look, bro, dang it, bro. This is super cool setup, guys. And you're probably thinking about tripod, don't worry about it, bro. And yeah, this is super comfy and cozy setup. Like let me go into the seat, and there you go, guys. Wow, bro, dang it, bro. The sound, oh my god, bro. That keyboard sound is so clicky, bro. Look at that. Ooh, dang, bro. Dang. Okay, so can you guys rate my setup? And the laptop is trash. One thing is that the laptop is very trash. Okay, never mind that. Okay, so yeah, how is this setup, bro? Crazy, right? Okay, so if you like this video, no, I'm hoping if you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share, and that's pretty all for today's video, guys. Bye.